Hello, my name is Chris, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to text message your potential renter leads through the TenantCloud system using our integrated CRM. You can click on your leads on the left side menu and then go and select the lead that you wish to text. From here, you'll see your lead with all of the information, the notes, the tasks, activity, and a send a text message button. Simply click that and it'll open up the conversation where you can start to send messages to the potential renter right from your TenantCloud desktop or mobile app. And the tenant is going to receive these messages via text directly to their phone. Now, there's been extensive research regarding quick responses to sales leads and how it correlates to lead conversion percentages. Some say that if you respond to a lead in under 60 seconds, that you're 4 times more likely to get the sale than the person who responds after 60 seconds. Additional research shows that if you respond under 3 minutes, you're at least 2 times more likely to close the deal than those who take longer to respond. The common factor throughout all research on the topic is that the sooner you respond to an inquiry, the more likely you are to close the deal with a potential tenant versus your competition. And that is why texting through the TenantCloud system is so powerful and so important, so that you can close more deals quicker every time a potential tenant reaches out to you about your rental property. And that is how easy it is to text your potential renters on the TenantCloud system. To get started for free today, just go to www.tenantcloud.com and click sign up today.